Hi folks, Joko here, and I want to talk to you today about how to do something on the YouTube that you might want to do and aren't quite sure where to get started. I'm going to show you two tools, both of which are free, that can help you start to get into the world of shorts, TikToks, and vertical video formats. Now, why would you want to do this? Well, it's where the views are. No, I don't care about views. Well, you care about something, otherwise you wouldn't be watching this. For my fellow seasonistas, I will say that we all have our own reasons to be creating what we do, and it's about sharing our music, and something that I think we all have an opportunity to promote the community for all of our benefit. And shorts get out there to more people. I can show you some numbers to prove that. In fact, let me show you why I've been converted to shorts as of recently. And by shorts, I don't mean pants. I mean, well, that's what YouTube calls them, shorts. To be a short, it needs to be in a 9:16 ratio instead of horizontal portrait. It's vertical. It's vertical. Portrait. Why? Because it's geared towards mobile devices. 75% of my YouTube views are coming from the mobile device format. Okay, so let's go into, just to show you here, YouTube Studio, to show, in the last 28 days, 4,400 shorts reviewed, while I had 358 regular videos at Republic, and most of them are seasons. I had high hopes for this one, and five views on my latest season 2 days ago. Let's have a look at shorts. Okay, I just put this up. How I Love You, Ukulele, Mandalay, 1,200 views. That's from yesterday. 613, 1,200, 937, 6,700, 152, 443, 574, 1,000. It helps build an audience. And whatever it is that you're here for, you want something. And there's no reason anybody does anything. It's because they want something, and it's the viewers that help you find it. Now let's talk about the two, make things a little easier. And let's say you wanted to turn one of your old, something from your back catalog into a short. Well, here's what we'll do. Let's use the season sheets. Pick a random video. I'm going to show you how to do it. Okay, there are currently something like 9,500 entries in here, so I'm just going to find some way to find a random number. Here, oh, look, there's some numbers up here. We got 9214. Let's go to video number 9,200, or how about just 921, because it's a John Duncan video. He doesn't need to know this. He probably knows it already. But look, that's what it is. I picked it at random. Let's see what 9214 is, just in case. From season 496, it's a Pa song. I really like the 7 chord. Now, Pa's a bit of a curmudgeon, as we all know, and not a big technophile. But maybe he's got into shorts. Let's just go take a look. So this is from August 16th of 2021. What was Pa doing then? Well, I don't have